This area of the shop, it's always been a freaking mess. As you can see, I just like throw stuff in there and I don't care that much. But I also have these trolleys. I bought them like 5 years ago and never actually use them. So what I want to make, let me show you. I've done some research because I really like those like airplane things like that. So I want to make something like this. And I'm also going to make this locking things in aluminum. That's going to be there. When I want to be sure that I'm cutting 4 of them all the same, I basically cut a little less and then I put all 4 together and I do a last cut that makes them all perfectly aligned. Okay, let's try to put it on the floor and let's see if it falls apart or it actually works. Look at that! Better than IKEA. It looks nice so far for the day. Can you try to put one? Because now it's gonna be super funny if it doesn't fit. Oh, it does fit. Look at that. Chicken or fish? Chicken or fish? Fish, chicken? Chicken or fish? Something to drink?